We are going to report all about weather report. This is a hurricane. How it formed. First, in the first stage, the rain clouds are building over a warm ocean. The clouds form when moist air rises and becomes cooler. Cold air cannot hold as much water vapor as warm air, and excess water changes into tiny droplets of water that forms clouds. The clouds in a tropical disturbance may rise to high, forming the towering thunderclouds that meteorologists call cumulonimbus clouds. In the formation of hurricanes, there must be so much of heat, energy, and moisture in the atmosphere that new cumulonimbus clouds continue from the rising. In the first stage, we will see that the cloud cumulonimbus formation. Then the next is the formation of tropical depression. In the second stage, a low pressure area is formed. The surrounding breeze begins first. This is the surrounding breeze. It circulates. Coriolis effect. It circulates due to the Coriolis effect. A depression is this when there is a low pressure over a large enough area to be flat in a weather map. The low pressure area near the ocean surface draws in warm, moist air which speed more thunderstorms. The wind swirls slowly around the low pressure area at first. As the pressure becomes even low, then the next is the cloud tropic, the formation of tropical storm. A tropical storm has developed with the wind exceed at 60 kilometers per hour. If viewed from above, this is picture above. The storm cloud now have been well-defined circular shape. See this illustration. The seas have become so rough that shape much clear of the area. The strong wind near the surface of the ocean draw more and more heat and water vapor from the sea. The increased warmth and moisture in the air feed and storm. Next to the formation of tropical storm is the development of hurricane with eye. There is two types of hurricane. The develop of an eye and there is no eye. A storm because a hurricane with its speed exceed at 110 kilometers per hour. By the time it has become a hurricane. It usually has a wind and develop that pressure surface pressure that's its lowest in the eye. This is the side view of the hurricane wind. This is the rain band, the surface between the eye and the warm core. The eye this is the eye. Eye of the hurricane. This is the example of how the hurricane and travels in different places. Okay. Let me show you the pattern there of a hurricane. Hurricanes may travel from 3 to 14 days. It may wander 4,800, 6,400 kilometers per hour. And it's typically moving over the sea. Sea. Speed of 8 to 32 kilometers per hour. Hurricanes in the northern hemisphere travel from east to west. East. As the storm approaches the coast to North America or Asia, they shift to a more northerly direction. Most hurricanes turn gradually northwest, north, and finally northeast. Northwest, pagana. The direction. And finally northeast. That's it. Southern hemisphere. Hurricanes may travel westward first and then turn to southwest, south and finally southeast. The southern hemisphere down. So, westward, southwest, and southeast. Got it. Like that. It's just, north, east to west, then north, if you continue, then north. The path of an individual hurricane is irregular and often difficult to predict. That's why in the Philippines, the Pagasa is oftenly make mistakes of their report about the weather. That's difficult to predict. However, all hurricanes and even more towards higher latitudes where there is colder air, less moisture and greater wind shear. These conditions causes the storm to weaken and die out. The end of a hurricane comes quickly if it moves over land where it no longer receives heat energy and moisture. However, heavy rains may continue even after the weekend. It said that even though the storm has finally weakened and die out, uh, bad weather there, still there. There is a lot of possibilities that it will rain. So that's it. I hope you enjoy our report about the weather. See you next.